guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Yancy. I'm on a journey to become debt free. Oh my goodness, I cannot believe it's November 4th. Happy Monday. Like, what? I was just telling Alex yesterday night. I was like, whoa, hold on. I'm like, next month is Christmas already? I was just mind blown. I can't believe it. It's coming so fast. By the way, I am taking care of my little sister. So you're gonna hear some YouTube background. Dylan is asleep, so you know he's not awake. But yeah, just so you know that's life. And also, guys, it's been a heck of 2 weeks. It's been crazy. I mean, like each week has been a shitty week. That's all I have to say. Like, holy smokes, wow. Anyways, let's go ahead and get started. I am doing a new binder setup, so I'm changing my saving challenges to this binder, so kind of to change stuff around. I know Christmas is next month, but you know, we're taking things a little bit slow because due to not having time and stuff like that. But anyways, I'm so excited to go ahead and change it with you guys. It's nothing crazy, but you know, small changes do help. And you know, I'm excited for it. All right, so this is my binder, which I'm gonna be using later on actually to be cash stuffing my my bill binders, which I'm gonna do that. All right, let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. Oh, she's crispy. You can hear it. You can hear it. All right. Woo, she is beautiful. I love the color. I don't have this in my shop, but I do have a different style or color, I should say. My shop is closing, so I'm not sure, but I will double check. Everything is like probably 40% off. So if you want a binder, definitely grab it because it is on sale. I will double check before I post this video that it is 40% off though. Okay, so if you guys want to get something, go ahead and do so. I will leave the link on the description box. All right, first thing first, we are going to change this bow and put it here. Look, it's so ugly. Like the little clip is so dirty. I'm probably gonna just take it off and change it to something else. I don't know yet. We will see. Look, cute. All right. I hope you guys had a great week, okay? I hope this month is good to you. All right, we're gonna go ahead and do this one, this fall one that has my name and it says ENC. Oh my goodness, look how cute. All right, we don't have like a little dashboard, so we're gonna skip that. We don't have anything in here, so that means that we're gonna add a new challenge. We're gonna add this cozy challenge on this envelope. I did create the envelopes. The envelopes are not super amazing because you know I'm not professional, but I did create them. All right, so there's that. I need to put something there for that to not lift up. Hold on, never mind guys, I couldn't find anything because if I put something here then it lifts like this. I'm like, okay, whatever. All right, next I have this challenge here, which is this one that will save me 351, which I am so excited. Oh my gosh, I am scared to put this in here because you know they're new envelopes, so they're gonna get stretched. You're gonna feel like, whoa, what's going on here? Okay. Oh my goodness, you're gonna hear my little sister. I'm so sorry, you guys. Okay. All right, let's see. And also, I took off my gel. You guys, because I was so stressed and I had so much anxiety that I just had to take it off, and I don't have time to go to my nail girl. Oh my gosh, look. It's so stuffed. It needs to get stretched out first, but oh well. Okay, there's that. So cute. So I took off my gel, and I just put some nail polish. Okay, hold on, let me check what this little girl was doing. She knows that with her I get like anxiety because she's always all over the place. She wants to touch everything. I'm like, oh my gosh, girl, what are you doing? Oh, Emily is a hot mess. Believe it or not, she's a girl. She's 2, but she's worse than my kids. I know, it's crazy. All right, next envelope is going to be mine. My saving challenge. I'm so happy. I only have 2 left. Hopefully I finish that on the next one, which should be pretty soon, right after this video. All right, look at that. Oh my gosh, I am obsessed. I really am. I really like this. It's simple, but it is cute. All right, next. Okay, here I don't have a challenge, so I'm gonna go ahead and do this and add a challenge for that one. All right, let's find a challenge for that. It's going to be from a little bit of a Taylor. I bought this not that long ago, and I'm like, oh my gosh, so cute. So had to grab that. Okay, there's that. Awesome. All right, next I have the avocado challenge. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 left, and each of them equals $4. Maybe I finish on the next one. Who knows? You know, the faster I finish, even though I don't stuff all of them, probably will be best. So I can. Oh my gosh, she grabbed. Okay, I was like, oh my gosh, she grabbed another pair of chips. But no, she's throwing away the chips I gave her. Well, I didn't give her. She went into the pantry and grabbed some chips. And I'm like, okay, I'll open it for you so you can let me make a video. I'm like sweating right now. Literally, I'm not kidding. Oh, here she comes. Where's some cookies? Oh my goodness. Hi, Emily. ¿Quieres ese? Okay. Okay, this is what she wants, y'all. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Okay, go sit down. Okay? Siéntate. Okay, don't move, okay? Just stay there. Oh my goodness, I'm sweating, y'all. Breathe. Okay, next. We have this rainbow one. It's also from me. I have 3 left on this one. Oh my gosh, most of my challenges I'm gonna be doing pretty fast. I'm so excited. Okay, so have you guys started shopping for Christmas? Let me know. I have and haven't at the same time. So I have a little bit of some. I have like my family got in small this year. For those that don't know, we had some issues, you already know, with husband's family stuff. You know, it be like that sometimes. So we basically just what's it called, we separated. So like we separated like from his family, and so that means that I will not be buying like probably 10 gifts. So that, not sure where the camera stopped, but I have some problem with my storage. It's so full. So like I was saying, me and Alex's family don't get together anymore. We kind of like went our own separate way. We separated. So it's been a year now officially, and it's healthy. It is healthy for a family. It is healthy for just in general. It is healthy. Okay, that's all that matters. But anyways, like I was saying, so I'm excited for that. I basically only have to buy gift now just for one of my parents, because I already got my mom, so I need my dad, Alex, and we have the kids already. So I'm excited for that. Okay, let's go ahead and, oh my gosh, I don't know why this feels so full. Why does it feel full, you guys? That's not good. That's not good. Okay, so I think I'm gonna just add the rest like this here. Okay, so 4th of July, and then we have Hello Kitty. I'm obsessed with Hello Kitty. I love Hello Kitty. Okay, all right, so there's that. Let's close that bad boy there. I do have one more envelope, so what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna put that envelope where, right here, and find a little challenge for this. So let me find a challenge. I will go ahead and do the little Happy Mail Fun challenge for this one. So, you know, I'm excited for that. Even though I don't really save for Happy Mail challenges stuff, I just buy and I'm like, whatever, let me just buy. But you know, this is just to make it a little bit more fun, right? All right, let's open this bad boy up. I'm having like a hard time, okay, because it's still so spanky new. Okay, and then I'm gonna add this right here just so let me know that, you know, just to divide that. Okay, and then I'm gonna add this one too. I don't know why, because it's just $50, so I think I want to divide that. And I'm gonna add it probably here. Now, before those, okay, I'm gonna add it right here, right? Why not? Okay. Let's see how that goes. All right, guys. If you have watched all the way here, let me know to enter for a little small giveaway. Let me know what are you excited about this month, the month of November. So yeah, okay, guys. Look how stinking cute, okay? All right, so this one feels so, so thin. All right, so this one is definitely packed. Oh my goodness, y'all see this? This one, it is packed to the max. Oh, is it gonna close? Ooh, burly. Y'all see that? Oh my goodness. Oops, this one, it might be a little bit bended. But oh my gosh, look how stunning this looks. OMG. Should I do a thumbnail like this instead? Oh yeah, let's do a thumbnail. All right, wait, hold on. Let me see. I don't know. Oh my gosh. So sorry, but I'm excited about this. All right, thumbnail. Okay, yes. Okay, I'm excited for this. Okay, anyway, so here's a little sneaky peeky of how everything looks. I really like this, okay? This looks so cute. I'm gonna have a hard time when I stuff this though, because look, it's so stuffed. But I'm excited for everything. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed. It's so small. It's the simplest little thing ever, but I am very excited, okay? Oh my goodness, I love how everything looks. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you guys. I love you for the support and everything you guys do. Thank you for all my new subscribers. We are on the road for 1,000 subscribers. Hopefully we reach it before this year, and if we don't, I want to see how close we get to it. So yeah, alrighty guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye, love ya.